Hello everyone, look at all those beautiful pink colors. Do you remember this painting? I used all these pretty reds and pinks in this one. The Deco Art Metallics, the Art Mines, the Deco Art 24 karat gold, Martha Stewart, the Resin Art Luster pigments, and the golden quinacridone, crimson violet, the pearl rose gold, and the pearl magenta. And all of these beautiful pinks made the most delicious color palette for this painting. And look at how shiny. That's the Art Mines right there. Isn't that pretty? So see that watermelon color right there? That's my little weirdo color I decided to use. It worked out really well in that last painting, so I'm gonna try it again. And yeah, so this was a fun little painting. Well, my phone didn't think it was fun, but so I put a just a plain white background on base coat on this canvas. It's a 10 by 20 because my goal today is to do some negative space. I'm not very good at it. I don't usually do negative space pours, but I'd like to. So this is basically what you would call a traveling ring pour. I'm just making the little circles as I travel down the canvas. And I layered the cups so that the colors would also travel. So we started out with a lot of the golds and the more violet colors, and then into the more reds and the quinacridone colors. So I don't want to cover this whole canvas, but I do want to think about the composition of everything. So today my paints were just mixed with Floetrol and water. I've been doing that for quite a while now, and I just really love the results I was getting with just the Floetrol and water. So, and you can totally get beautiful cells. See those beautiful 24 karat gold cells? I love that. Now I'm going to take my airbrush and just kind of give that outer edge some dynamic movement into the white. Not only does it kind of pop the color when you get to see it transparent against the white, but those beautiful trails of color going into the white really give a lot of flowy movement in the painting. And so I really wanted to do that with this one. And this painting was very luscious and beautiful, and actually it kind of looks like a pink dragon when you turn it around, and I love that. It's been a while since I've just done a really simple painting, and this painting to me was very, very simple and very quick and easy to do. I only spent like 20 minutes or something, and that's just like an absolute record for me. But here's a close-up look at how shiny and luscious it is. Look at the lacing of that gorgeous pink and that lovely pink violet color. All the gold pebble-like cells, so pretty. And then the red is so rich. There's that watermelon color, that bright color that really pops this painting. Yeah. So I just want to say real quick, you guys, my auction is coming up on August 25th at 8 p.m. Standard Time. That I think that's Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. And I'm going to do a preview video this week that will show you everything that's going to be in the auction, so you have some time to think about something that you might want to bid on if you'd like to do that. I do appreciate you liking, commenting, subscribing, and also please feel free to contact me about the sale of this painting and any others that you might see. I'm happy to discuss that with you. And that's about it. Thanks, guys. This was a quickie. I appreciate it so much, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.